Guys, welcome back, guys. Boy Chef Carlton here. I'm gonna ask you to guys, please go ahead and tap that subscribe button. Today I'm going to be juicing. Alright, so with COVID-19, flu, all of this stuff that's out there to get mess up our immune system, I'm gonna give you guys a recipe that's gonna boost your immune system. And it's a immune system boost. It's very tasty and it's very healthy, guys. Good for you. Build up your immune system, fight all those viruses out there. So give it a shot and let me know what you think in the comments. All right, be blessed, guys. Stay safe out there. All right, guys, it's time to boost up your immune system. It's an immune booster. All right, with COVID-19 and all this crazy illness that's out there, immune system gotta be intact, guys. It gotta be. So I'm gonna be walking you guys through a recipe and a drink that will help boost your immune system. All right, so these are all the ingredients I'm working with today. So celery, beetroot, ginger, limes, oranges, and an apple just for a little bit of sweet. All right, so everything is cut and ready to go in the juicer. And if you realize there's more beets than anything else, so this juice is going to be red, guys, and don't be scared. It's all 100% natural. Everything here is organic and fresh. We got oranges, limes, ginger, celery, apples. So let's get juicing, guys. All right, so we're going to start by putting our juicer on high. And of course, guys, there's no necessarily order of juicing. I just put the ginger in first so you get more of the flavor from the ginger, because when the trash from the ginger gets stuck in here, all the other fruits or the other vegetables and fruits that go in push it out. So that's why I put the ginger first, but there's no specific order. All right, now what you do is you take your whisk and you get the quick mix. All right, it's nice juice. You're gonna get a strainer or a sieve and just pour. All right. it's nice and rich.